Hi friends, welcome to Vacation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about the date function or method inside the JavaScript. So inside of the JavaScript, we have a default function or method which is present, and the date function, it will actually show you the current date and time. Like let's say if one person is in the IST time zone, then it will show you what is the current time and current date also. So we have that existing date function which is present inside the JavaScript, and I am going to show you with an example that how to use that date function inside our program. So here you can see in the screen I am going to use that existing date function. So here you can see like I have created a variable called as the x, and where I am just using this date function or method, and in the console I am just printing like what is the output. So if I go to the screen, and here if I do a quick refresh to this page, now in the console window here you can see like what is the current date and time. So like, so today is the Wednesday, and what is the date, like July 27 2022, and what is the time, and here it is showing this IST time zone. So this is one of the example which I showed you. Like let me give you another example. Like, so first of all, let me create a paragraph tag. Okay, and here uh, my ID equal to, so in my another example what I did is I just created a paragraph tag and whose ID is pdate. So in case of the script tag, so what I am trying to do is I'm just trying to find that paragraph tag, and by using the inner HTML I'm assigning the current date and time into that paragraph tag. So I have saved this page. So if I uh, reload my HTML page, so now here you can see in the paragraph tag, you can see like the current date and time, it got displayed, and it contains like what is the day and time and which time zone also. Like I'm in the IST time zone, so it is showing you those things. So this is like I showed you with another example. And here you can see this date function or method, it does not take any type of parameter. So this is the default method which provided by the JavaScript. So directly we can use that method, and like we can take the advantage of all the functionality, like what is the date, what is the time, and what is the day, and which time zone it is. So this is all about our today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.